Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer, and for today's video, I'm gonna do an updated hair tutorial. So I just chopped off a lot of my hair, so it's pretty short right now. But this is the same hairstyle that I've been using with my long hair also. So it can be used for both short and long hair. It's just very undone, very effortless, and just little bends, nothing too curly. And I'm gonna show you how I achieve that. This video is sponsored by Sunbum. If you don't know yet, they have a hair care line full of a bunch of different hair care products that really helps to embrace and celebrate your hair and its texture and all its glory, but still protect it from all the stuff that we do to damage our hair, from heat styling, blow drying, and all those kinds of things. So I want to just quickly share with you guys what some of the products I've been using are. I've been using these Sunbum hair products for well over a month now. I'm actually out of the shampoo and conditioner. So this is the shampoo and conditioner that I have been using. This is the revitalizing shampoo and conditioner. They also have one for curls and waves if you have more curly or wavy hair. It smells so good. If you're familiar with how their sun care products smell, then these are gonna smell just as good. So these products are SLS free, vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, silicone free, and alcohol free. So those are good things. And then here is the Curls and Waves shampoo that I was talking to you guys about. This one is also vegan, color safe, sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, and UV protecting. So all of these products are really great if you're the kind of person that is always in the sun and to protect it from all that sun and heat. They also have a detox shampoo right here that's really good for obviously detoxifying, clarifying, balancing your scalp and your hair. It has apple cider vinegar to really help deep clean. So probably one of the most important things that I don't think people use enough is using heat protector on their hair. So this is just what that looks like. So this one obviously protects your hair from heat. It also decreases drying time and prevents breakage. So this one's really, really, really important to use. Our next product, and this one is really exciting for me just because I do have colored hair and sometimes the tone of my hair can change. And so this one just kind of tones it to the right tone. It removes the brassiness of my hair and it also hydrates and conditions it at the same time. Tries to decrease frizz as well. So if you have color treated hair like mine, then you're really going to like this. And it's a spray, so you just use it right after you get out of the shower, damp hair, just spray it on and then just leave it in. All right, next up, I really like this product. It is the Anti-Frizz Oil Mist. Firstly, because the ends of my hair, because it is colored and because I do a lot of heat styling to my hair, I need an oil to kind of bring it back to looking healthy. It's really gonna protect your hair against humidity, frizz, and it's going to just kind of bring out your hair's natural shine. And lastly, I have a detangler here. I haven't used one of these things in a while, but since we moved, our water has been really, really hard. This one's nice, obviously it detangles, but it really helps protect and seal and lock in the hair to protect it from damage. Again, tame it from frizz, restore back its shine. So honestly, I wasn't sure what to think about these products because I'm only familiar with Sunbum being sun care products like sunscreens and things like that. They're actually really, really, really good products for hair care. This is a line all about hair care, all about protecting your hair, keeping it healthy or restoring it back to its health. It's pretty much all you need if you want to do that to your hair. So everything that I talked about, everything I showed you guys will be linked in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I'll also be showing you how I use some of these products as we do the tutorial, which is up next, so stay tuned for that. All right, first things first, we are going to use our Sunbum Heat Protector Spray right here. I like to shake it up and then I literally spray it all over my hair because I'm going to be applying heat all over my hair. I like to add volume to my hair, so I'm just going to take my round brush and my blow dryer, and then I am just going to blow dry my hair, section it out from left side and right side, and whichever side I'm starting from, I'm just going to blow dry the opposite direction. right, so just added some volume to the roots. As you can tell, it's much more bouncy than it used to be. I just kind of like to do that to refresh my hair. All right, next up, I'm going to bust out my curling wand. So this one is about 1.5 inches. Actually, it's probably just 1 inch, but I like bigger curls. I like this one from ULTA because it really kind of just gives undone curls. It's not gonna be tight curls. I really don't like tight curls. And then we are just gonna go and kind of do just the top part of the hair. Now my hair is pretty short, so sometimes I can get away with just like doing the top first and second layer if you section it out. And that's also what I would do when my hair was longer. But if you want to do your whole head of hair, then go for it. And you're gonna see why after I'm done curling. So I'm just gonna section my hair into half, 2 sections from the back. And you can section your hair more if you need to, but this is just, you know, it's not gonna be like anything perfect or anything. That's not what we're going for in this look. So I'm just gonna kind of just grab pieces, and then I'm gonna do alternating directions. If you've seen any of my tutorials, you know why. For me, if I curl my hair in just one direction, it kind of just lays flat and all one direction. But when I curl it alternating directions, then there's more body, there's more life. Just going to curl away from the face first. And this is a pretty strong wand too. So even just something as simple as that, curls it just like that. And this is literally all I want. I just want bends. I don't want anything so curly. So I don't even need to keep it on the curler long at all. And as you just saw, I curled it in towards the face. Okay, now away from the face. And then towards the face. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on doing that. And then at some point, I'm just gonna move on to the other side. All right, and then as we get to the front of the hair, I just literally put it on the curler for like a second. I didn't even wrap it around, and it already just gives me a nice bend. It's just there to frame my face. I don't want it to spiral or anything like that. And then we're just gonna, you know, go over some of the second layer right here. And as I get more towards the front of the face, I do like to only curl away from the face. Again, just framing it. All right, so that's pretty much it for this side, and then I'm literally gonna do the same thing for the other side. So now we're done curling it, and it kind of looks crazy, but it also kind of looks okay. This looks just very like messy, but I'm just gonna kind of polish it up a little bit, tame it a little bit, and I'm gonna do that using my flat iron. So I'm just gonna section my hair again, and I'm really just going to focus more on straightening the ends of the hair and just any parts that I think are just a little too curly. I want it to kind of look like I just woke up with this hair, and that this is how my hair naturally kind of sets on its own. All right, so that's pretty much it. This side is good to go. So as you can just see, it just looks very like effortless. The ends are straight. Again, I like it straight. The straight ends like this give it a more beachy look. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that part, then you don't have to, but this is just how I like it. And this is literally how I've been wearing it when my hair was longer, and then I just really like how it looks with my shorter hair as well. So I'm just gonna literally do the same thing to the other side. All right, so here we are with the finished look. I'm just going to add some texturizing spray. And then lastly, I'm just going to add this anti-frizz oil mist just to the ends of my hair to kind of bring it back and look a little bit shiny, but not too much. I'm just going to apply it to the ends. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this updated hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned, be sure to check out my description box. I will have direct links for you guys to shop all Sun Bum products. Follow me on Instagram if you want daily outfit inspirations. I'm at Naomi Boyer, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Don't forget, all you have to do is hit the red subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, spending your time with me. I'll see you in my next video.